Hi, and welcome to another vlog. I'm just about to head out because we're gonna go for a little hike. Today is Sunday and the weather is finally a little bit better because it's been a bit rainy these past few weeks. Typical April weather in Slovenia. In April, you just really never know what you're gonna get. It can be really warm, like 20 degrees and fully sunny, or quite cold. Just this week, I think on Thursday it was like 20 degrees. And then during the night it really cooled down, and then on Friday it was only 10 degrees. But today it should be quite nice, and we're gonna visit a three country border point. It's gonna be a viewpoint where you can see three countries, which are Slovenia, Austria, and Italy. So we just arrived to the starting point of our hike. We're gonna follow this road over here, and it should take us up in about an hour and a half, but we're hoping that we might be able to do it in 1 hour if we're quite quick. And I hope that in that time the weather's gonna clear up a little bit more, because right now it's a little cloudy, and I hope that those clouds are gonna move away, make some place for the sun, so we're gonna have a really nice view of the three countries as well as the mountains around here. It's my dream to have a little cabin in the woods. Not this one though, because a tree fell on it. We got our first nice view. So a little while ago we came across a signpost that said long way or short way. And the short way was like 45 minutes. So we took the short way, which is a little bit more steep, but it's definitely doable. Except that it's just zigzagging up the mountainside, which I'm a little tired of right now because it feels like you're just walking the same road 20 times over. But I'm looking to my right and I think we're almost there. So that's exciting. So let's see this view. Wow. It's still a little cloudy, but it's not bad. I think we're almost there because I can see the sky here. So probably the last 5 to 10 minutes now. Okay, we were even much closer than I thought because we're already here and that took like 30 seconds. Look at all these flowers. How nice is that? And so this is the view. Here we got the three country point. Here on the right is Kärnten, which is the Austrian region. And then on the left we have Slovenia. I don't know why it says Slovenia, not Gorenjska, because on this side we have Friuli, which is the Italian side. So for both of these they put like the province, and then for Slovenia they just put the country name. But yeah, anyway, this is it. So we didn't manage to do it in 1 hour, which we hoped. It took us exactly an hour and a half, which is exactly what they said it would take, so at least we're average. Last year I took some good photos here actually, but it's not quite as green yet, and also the clouds are making it a little difficult to get a good photo today. So we're gonna make our way down again, but this time we'll take the longer road because this is like just a car road and it's a lot flatter than the other road that we took up, so I think it's gonna be faster. Because when you're walking downhill, it's easier if the road is sort of stable and flat rather than the road where you have to climb down at certain parts. So let's see how long it's gonna take. I will say that this is actually a really nice hike. It's not technically difficult at all. I would even go as far to say that this is maybe the easiest hikes I've done so far in Slovenia. And it also doesn't take that much time. Like the part where, or well, the spot where we started the hike, it was an hour and a half. And then you can be down in another hour. So, pretty good. And I also think that this is one of those hikes that is not really gonna get busy because it's Sunday today, and typically on the weekends a lot of Slovenians go out for a hike, so a lot of places are kind of crowded. But even though there's like Italians and Austrians and Slovenians coming to this hike, it really wasn't, well, crowded, like I said. And also this road down is actually just so easy. It really doesn't take any effort at all. And even if you have difficulty walking, you can actually just drive all the way up to the viewpoint, because this is just a road for cars, really. It does help if you have a smaller car and a car that can handle some off-road conditions. I would love to see this bird. We're back in the car. It took us a little bit longer than we thought it would. I think it was like an hour and 15 minutes. But it was quite enjoyable because it's a very easy road to walk on. I have a very pink nose. But yeah, now we're gonna go get some food. I'm very hungry.